All right, BTC is having a little bit of a move to the upside here. In today's video, we're going to go over the projected path. If BTC wants to come up to all-time high again, I'm going to show you how it's going to do it here. This is the chart real quick that we're going to go over. Also, I'm going to show you something to watch out for. If this wants to take out this low again on BTC here, we can definitely do that. This is how we would do that, how the wave structure would look like. We're going to go over that as well. So you know exactly what to watch out for, and you know exactly the wave structure to get to all-time high and what to expect after that. Stick with me through this whole video, guys. It's going to be so quick, I promise you. As always, drop a follow over on Instagram. I'm getting pulled to do self-development stuff. If you want access to forbidden knowledge, I'm going to be sharing all my tips and tricks, everything I used and implemented into my life to absolutely transform my life. I'm dropping gems over here, guys, for free. Drop a follow over on Instagram. That's pinned in the first comment down below. I'll see your asses over there. And then check out the Discord, guys. Free Discord, free Elliott wave course that I put together. It's a 3-hour-long video boot camp right here in the free Discord. Also, there's a premium option. You get access to all my trades. Just click upgrade here in the free Discord. You got a 4-day free trial of that. Live stream, so much more included in premium. All of that is included in the pinned comment down below. Go check all those links out. All right. Now, first thing we're going to hit, guys, listen, beautiful move off of this low right here. Beautiful move to the upside. We're going to go over the bullish case heading up to all-time high. If you've been watching this channel, you know I am calling for a flat correction here, which we are in the middle of. We're in the middle of. We have a correction down. We have a correction that we're going to hit to the highs on. We can tap all-time high. We can slightly break all-time high. There's no problem in doing that, guys. If you want to pull fibs on this and get some targets, you can definitely do that. 1618 box goes all the way up to right here, which is 110, 111K, guys. We can go hit up there, no problem. But essentially, you'll get a correction down, you'll get a correction up, expecting an impulsive leg to hit to the downside. This is a nasty structure, guys. This is not something that's pretty. This is not something that we all want to see. I understand that, but it is, to me, what's looking like what's going to play out on the charts here. As you can see, it comes right down to the 1-to-1. We can dip down a little lower to 86K here. Essentially, you would just map out an ABC like so. It's just a Max Payne market maker special. That's all it is here, guys. That's all it is. And this is going to be this is the end of our wave 3. This is the end of our wave 4. All this is wave 4, right? And then we're going to get a massive pump to the upside that's going to finish out the entire bullish structure, dating all the way back to the lows, way back, right? This is my primary scenario. I am expecting this wave to hit to the upside, and more specifically, it's going to take the shape of a WXY here. I'm looking at this as a corrective wave. It does look a little impulsive if you're just looking at it at a glance, but zoomed in, I mean, it's got a corrective shape to it. Landed right in the 1618 box beautifully, and then we rejected. So I'm calling that a corrective leg to the upside. All this I'm calling a WXYXZ correction. And I'm expecting a corrective leg to the upside. The 1-to-1 looks like a great target here. And that would be just if we come and sweep this liquidity and hit down here. That's where I have the 1-to-1 placed. I kind of like forecasting out the Fibonacci's to see possible reversal points. So this is, I'm expecting, if we get a little correction here, great. Let's hop in long. I don't know about longing right this second, you know what I'm saying? But I'm expecting to come up into this zone here. Keep pushing in one way or another before we get a little rejection. Around 104K, 105. Get a little rejection, and really it's just putting in a correction. We'll get that final leg up towards all-time high in a corrective wave. So we'll get a W, X, Y, and then impulse to the downside. This is what's looking good to me right now, guys. Let's go over the bearish alternative right now, because it's not a done deal. It's not sign it and seal it, ship it. It's not, you know, there's definitely bearish counts that are still at play here. We're going to go over them. Let me switch over. Here we go. Before we do that, guys, the two exchanges that I trade on, they're both no KYC. Blowfin, no KYC. BitUnix, no KYC. These are the two best no KYC exchanges out. You just sign up with your email and you're ready to start trading. I hooked you guys up with the best promotions that they have available right now. Guys, take advantage of these promotions. These are the best ones they have. Max out the deposit bonus. Like, why are you not doing this? You get free 10% on Blowfin. You get a free 10% over on BitUnix, plus trading bonuses. Look at these trading bonuses, up to $9,400. Max out those bonuses now. Blowfin, you have until February 22nd. You have 2 days. 2 days. The links are right here, pinned in the first comment down below. Go max out the deposit bonuses. Get your free 10%, dude. I use both of these exchanges, one for swings, one for scalps. I like spreading my pie throughout different exchanges and different wallets. It's just safer that way. I suggest you do the same. Go try both those exchanges, Blowfin and BitUnix. All right. Now, this is the bearish alternative that I have cooked up. I drew this trend line. At the end of the day, guys, trend lines really don't mean shit to me. I'm going to be real with you. But it's there. But it's there. And from the top, all-time high, I would still call this a wave 3 of a more major degree finished, all the way up, finished wave 3. And instead of hitting us with a flat correction here for wave 4, we get hit with a WXY correction. Boom, boom, boom for wave 4. Still coming down here. Still coming down here. Just coming down more immediately rather than later. In this case, you know, I don't see us coming up to the highs and then coming down low. I see us absolutely ripping. Once we take this low out, if we hit this low, I see us getting hit with the mega wave to the upside. And zoomed in on this structure here, what we are in the middle of is a WXY, in which I have our corrective shape here to the downside. That would be my W. I have a flat correction here, which we have a correction up, correction down, impulsive leg up, came up to about the 1-to-1 fib of this entire correction. Hitting off this trend line, guys. We can break this trend line. It really doesn't mean shit to me. But it's there. You know, we could liquidity sweep this trend line. I know there's a bunch of liquidity up here. And then we can start hitting to the downside. No problem. The higher we go, the better potential there is for a flat, which we come down impulsively rather than corrective here. We come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsively. The higher we go. But right now we're at the 1 fib. I don't mind reversing right here. Let me erase some of this. I don't mind reversing right here. Something I'm watching out for closely. The 1-to-1 is coming in at about 90K. And it's just the 1-to-1 of this right here into the flat, and then boom, 100% right there. All right. Looks good to me. It looks good. And why do I say the higher that this goes, the more potential there is for an impulsive leg to the downside? Well, you know, if we measure this entire leg down right here before our flat correction, the 90% is right here. That's the minimum for a flat correction. So if the C leg comes up to the 1618 and around there, and we actually hit the 90%, there's a real good potential for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive wave to the downside. Very quick wave to the downside. The whole thing would be a flat at that point. And then we can hit to the upside. Okay. All right, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. If you want smaller time frame analysis, if you want to stay up to date with my trades, you guys got to be in premium Discord. I'm sorry, I can't. Things change too quickly. It evolves too quickly. So that's the only way I can keep up with it is over in Discord. Drop a follow over on Instagram. Check out the reels. I'm gonna start spamming out this stuff to you guys over on Instagram. Post stories, all this stuff. You know, you get a glimpse into my life as well. So I'll see you over on Instagram. Check out Blowfin, check out BitUnix, and subscribe to this damn channel for daily Bitcoin updates, baby. Trade safe, everyone. I love you.